This video explains how to get the current hour, minute and second using the Python programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the Python code. As a very first step for this tutorial, we need to import the datetime module, and then we also need to create a datetime object which contains the current date and time. And we can do that, as you can see in the second code box, by using the now function of the datetime module. And I'm returning the output of the now function to a new data object that I'm calling myDate. And I'm also printing this datetime below the code box using the print function. So after running those lines of code, you can see below the code box that while I'm creating this tutorial, we have the 2nd of October 2022, and currently it's 5 p.m. 42 minutes and 15 seconds. Now we can extract those elements like the hours, the minutes and the seconds separately using the code that I will show you in the following parts of this tutorial. So if we want to get the current hour of this datetime, then we can use the hour attribute, as you can see in the next line of code. So in this line of code, I'm using the date object, myDate, that I have created before, and I'm extracting from this the hour of this datetime object. And I'm storing the output of this in a new data object that I'm calling current hour. So after running these lines of code, you can see that the current hour of this day is the hour 17. So in other words, currently it's 5 p.m. Similar to that, we can also extract the minute from our datetime object, as you can see in the next line of code, using the minute attribute. So the only difference of this code compared to the previous code is that this time I'm using the minute attribute instead of the hour attribute. So after running these lines of code, the minute 42 is returned, which is the current time when I have created this tutorial. In the next lines of code, I'm doing the same for the seconds of our datetime object. So in this case, I'm extracting the second attribute. So as you can see, the current second when I have created this datetime object is the second 15. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.